Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So because they have same power number 4, we can put like this. Next, s plus number 2 multiplied by s minus number 1. So if we expand, we have like this. Now, 2s minus s, we have positive s. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s squared plus s minus number 2. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2s. This one we have number 1. After we do first derivative. So this one in here, we change by u. 2s plus 1 ds, we change by du. And now, this one we can put u to the power of negative number 4 du. And now, we have the formula in here. So we put negative number 4 cone here. So negative number 4 plus 1, we have negative number 3. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.